Okay, here is the rod design. There's 3 different sizes. This is the 10.5. This is the 15.5. And this is the 18.5. They all add to each other to create a longer tube. You can see down here that basically there's a cap for the butt end of the rods. And then over here you have a plug for the top of the rod. What I'm going to do is I'll put these aside and focus on this. This is the end of the rod. If you deploy this out, you'll have a total of 5 sections. The first 4 sections are matte finish, as you can see, and then the base unit has a design on it. Now, what I want you to look at is the fact that the tip is very thick, and I'm going to use a comparison right now from another piece that I have. This is a telescoping rod, same setup. Difference is you can see how thin the rod tip is compared to the spreader. Very, very small, and all that does is create a lot of bend, which is not needed. It's like the tip of a fishing rod, which is no good. My tip is heavy duty. You can't bend it. I'm using pretty good force here. You won't snap it. Made of carbon fiber. So that's the difference between the 2 rods. The other difference is this telescoping rod with the very thin tip is 45 inches long. It couldn't even fit in the case that we provide if it wanted to. There's actually 6 sections on this fiberglass rod. Now back to our rod. Like I said, 5 sections, black at the top. The butt section has a design. You can travel with it this way. To increase the size, you just add 2 more pieces and it creates a 15.5 foot tube. So now you're up to 7 pieces, and then you add the last piece, slide all the systems through. You can carry it all as one or any size you really need for that particular day. And the last thing I wanted to show you about these rods is the awesome graphics on the rod itself. You can see nice and shiny. This is our pattern that goes on the bottom 4 pieces. So front 4, matte black. All the rest of the pieces have a design pattern on it. Awesome. I want you to remember, this is one of our prototypes. That is the rod system.